Hello hook loopers, welcome to my crochet channel. I'm Sarah.
You see a bunch of hooks in front of me. They can all be used for Tunisian crochet, but I know many people don't know how to work with them. So today I would like to show you the use of each one of these hooks. So in order to work Tunisian crochet flat, you would need one of these. Okay, this is very similar to a regular crochet hook, but it is longer. You can see it. It has one hook on one side and a stopper on the other end of the hook. And this is because, as you know, in Tunisian crochet, you need to pull up loops on the hook and you don't want them to fall off. So this is the reason for the stopper. Okay. With this kind of hook, you can put on a considerable amount of stitches already, but if you need to work bigger projects, such as blankets, you will probably need one of these. This is a crochet hook with a cable attached to it and a stopper at the end. In this case, this is an interchangeable set. That is to say, you can detach the cable and you can attach one in the length you wish. And with these lengths, you can already put on many stitches. And this is the same thing, but the cable is not detachable, okay? And in this case, it is extremely long. I don't know if you see it. And it has, again, a stopper at the end, okay? So, and these are usually used in order to work Tunisian crochet flat. So as to work Tunisian crochet in the round, you will need a double-pointed Tunisian crochet hook, such as this one's. This is a short double-pointed Tunisian crochet hook. It has two hooks, one on each end of the hook. These hooks can either look in the same direction or in opposite directions, such as these ones. Frankly, I don't see the difference in usage in the tips, whether they look in the same direction or not. Anyways, this is a short one, and this is the same thing, but it is a longer double-pointed Tunisian crochet hook. Once again, on a longer Tunisian crochet hook, you can put on more stitches than on a short one. This is the same thing again, but it's a set made of two hooks in the same size, again with a detachable cable in between that comes in different lengths depending on the amount of stitches you need to work. And you can also find this with a not detachable cable in between, in all sizes, of course. The reason you need the double points, the two hooks, one on each end of the hook, is because, as you know, in Tunisian crochet worked in the round, you need to make the forward passes in one direction using one tip, and then you need to turn the hook and make the return pass in the other direction. So this is why you absolutely need two hooks, okay? You usually see me doing tutorials and even smaller projects in Tunisian crochet using a standard crochet hook such as this one. This is my preference. I love to work with short hooks, and if I can, I usually do use one of these. So my tip for beginners especially, if you want to start on Tunisian crochet, want to give it a try and make some tests or samples, you don't need to buy a new hook. You can simply use the ones you have at home, regular crochet hooks such as this one. And you can even make smaller projects with this. I made scarves, many things, depending on the yarn weight, of course. But if you want to work in the round, you need to have a double-pointed Tunisian hook. And in this case, again, I would choose to buy as first double-pointed crochet hook a short one. It is much handier, and you can use it for bigger projects as well as these ones. You just need to turn it more often than with one of these. Okay. Another tip for beginners, if you want to buy a cabled Tunisian hook, I advise these ones. These comes in sets where you have mostly all sizes of crochet hooks, and they are extremely cheap. I bought them on Amazon years ago, but I must say they are very comfortable to work with. They are extremely light. The material is not bad, and even the cable, even though it's made in plastic and it's rather thick, it does not, it gets ruined in time. It stays, it is soft, and it does not deform itself. While of course I bought these as a set. This is by Prim Knit Pro, and they are rather expensive, I must say. So I would buy them later on if you're an expert already and you want to gift yourself with something precious, let's say. Usually the sets come with cables in different lengths already. But of course, if you want to use these sets to work Tunisian in the round, you will need to buy extra hooks, because to create one of these, when you already have a size 4, for example, on one side, you need to buy another size 4 hook extra in order to create this ensemble here. Okay, to work in the round. So, well, I would give it a thought before buying it. Anyway, I hope this was all clear enough, that you know a little bit more about Tunisian crochet hooks now. Once again, don't worry too much about all these hooks. Try Tunisian with a regular crochet hook at first, see if you like it, and then if you grow passionate about it, as you will certainly do, you can start buying all the other needed or useful hooks if you want. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.